Oh, hello and welcome back to Top Garage. This is a dedicated Black Friday video and we're going to talk about some sales. So first things first, if you own a 6.7 Powerstroke, now is the literal best time to get any aftermarket part you might need. It is the biggest sale event of the year and it only happens once. We got CCV kits on sale. We got disaster prevention kits on sale. We have stage 1, stage 2, and tune foul upgrades on sale. We have intakes on sale. We have CCV kits on sale to get rid of this nasty CCV box. We have cold side pipes on sale. We have coolant reroutes on sale. We have piping kits on sale and a new added polished intake plenum, which is the Y that sits on top of the engine for the 6.7 Powerstroke. Polished. SPE came through on that one. So basically, the website is set up with the parts that I physically use all the time. I use them on everything. So notable parts I would act now on are the disaster prevention kit, the CCV reroute, the cold side, and the intercooler piping. Those are like a must for any 6.7 Powerstroke, without a doubt. So from now until Monday night, you will save hundreds of dollars if you decide to purchase those. This is not a sales video, this is an information video based on the sales. But all right, guys, if you're seeing this video, you're one of the few because I'm taking this down after Monday. This is a strict information video to show you what kind of sales are going on so you can save some money. I don't want you to miss out. These are parts that I have used for many, many years, and you can go back through my channel. I have pretty much a video on every single part on the website that I have personally installed on personal trucks, friends' trucks, whatever. You know what I'm saying?
That's too many times. Once or twice is cool, but 80 or 90 times, man?
What are you, from the department of Noam Sands? You taking the Noam census? You counting my Noam Sands? We're hanging out, right? It's
8 or 9 times? That's
but
too many Noam Sands, you
riding
know
on
what
my
I'm saying?
jock, you know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to have a good time, you know what I'm saying? And you're counting my Noam
That's too many
Sands.
times.
I use these parts every day, and if you have any questions, let me know. I'll be standing by on the email, on the line, waiting for you in case you might have a question. But all right, that's it. I'm rambling. I will see you guys on the next one, and happy Black Friday shopping, Cyber Monday shopping. Is that a thing to say? I don't know, but I'll see you guys on the next one. Talking to a camera, weird.